What's up, guys? I just want to throw this little video together to give you all an update on everything. So the biggest update on the all-wheel drive hatch, I actually have been in touch with Wireware, and he has sent me some videos and some pictures of my wiring. The switch panel has power to it now. He's testing everything out before finishing the rest of the process. So all that's coming together. Once he gets the rest of the wiring and stuff attached to the switch panel, because he's building everything off the panel, that's what I'm assuming. And now that he's got the panels in, he's getting the wiring knocked out on that. So we should have the wiring coming in within this week. He's going to try to get it shipped out this weekend. And it's Sunday right now. So if he does, that'd be great. If anything, I said it'd be getting shipped out this week. So yeah, here's some more updates. So as y'all know, we started a build series on my buddy's EK Coupe, and we got this car as a parts car. And my intentions with the situation that I'm in on the Yukon, which I'm still trying to get that taken care of. The transmission went out on it, so I'm still trying to find someone local to rebuild that for me. Versus buying a whole complete trans, which would be a little more expensive. But if I can't find any local, then I'll just go ahead and get a new trans from Jegs or something like that and get one put in. But got the swap pulled out of this. It was this 99 2000 coupe. It's 96 98. I actually pulled this swap out to put it in my orange hatch, which is covered up. So I actually got in touch with my buddy, and this is the swap that we were putting together, which you guys already know. So I started putting this together, and he was telling me that later on he wanted to go B series anyways. So I figured, why dump money into this just to pull it out and dump money into a B series. So this is back in my possession, which I pretty much just gave him the motor anyways and was going to put it in his car, helping him out. So now it's not going in his car. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with this yet. Drop a comment below and let me know what y'all think I should do with this thing. Should I just go fully built D series and find a chassis to throw it in, or what? Just let me know. I'm not sure what I want to do with it right now, so any feedback would be great. What you all would like to see, because this channel is for you all. So what I done is I actually done all this off camera, mainly so I can give myself something to drive. Well, it's already popped. So I'm slowly getting his car put back together. So I ended up taking the whole swap out of that car, putting it over into his. Got that done within a day or two. And let's get this hood prop up real quick. So like I said, after a couple of days of wrenching, got the swap into the car. I rebuilt his engine harness because there was some bad connections on it. So I got all that taken care of. I done a few other things as far as getting the car pieced back together. I still got quite a bit of a list to do, such as inner and outer tie rods, which I have all of that already here with the car that he had provided. Just got to knock the small stuff out. And once I get all that taken care of, then the car will be 100% again. Also, another thing that kind of just developed a noise is the alternator belt. She's squeaking a little bit just on first start. So I'm gonna replace the belt on that, start getting the interior back together on this thing, and yeah, that's that belt squeak. just pretty excited. Glad to see this thing actually back up and running again. It was kind of taking up this area right here for the longest time until we figured out exactly what we were going to do. Because, like I said, we were going with that swap over there, that setup. But this would be more convenient for him. Get the car back on the road, get it running and driving. And then once he's ready to do the B-Series swap, then that's when we'll actually get into the detail as far as like painting the engine bay and stuff like that, like I had mentioned before in previous videos. So that's pretty much a little update on everything around here right now. Just a quick sum up, get a little video out for you guys. Didn't want to leave you all in the shadows, so I'm actually still pulling a few parts off of this car so I can go ahead and get this thing sent off to the scrapyard and get it out of my way, because I want to get his car over here part, that way I can get the Yukon right here and go ahead and start pulling the transmission out of it. So I guess I'm going to apologize to you all for the lack of content. I just been mainly focusing on getting things taken care of around here. My wedding is actually right around the corner, so with it being the 31st and tomorrow will be the 1st of August, that leaves us with 26 days to the wedding. So got a lot going on around here, so I'm pretty much trying to keep myself stress-free, trying to get some stuff taken care of, get some vehicles running, and hopefully soon we'll have the purple hatch running, so we can get it going and get some testing done, get this thing dialed in, and start throwing y'all some actually good content worth watching, rather than just throwing a few things here and there. So, like I said, I apologize for the lack of content. I've just been focused on life things, trying to get everything lined out, like I said. And we'll be back on track here soon. So, appreciate y'all's continued support, and see you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.